that is a simple and fast review of the W10413645 filter. It is a replacement filter for, where do we have it? There we go. The W10413645A or the W10413645 or the EDR2RXD1. So I've got a KitchenAid refrigerator, and I already put one of these in, so I'm just going to show you how this works. So all you're going to do is unscrew to your left, pop out. It's going to drain a little bit, so make sure you have a paper towel available, and then you're just going to put the new filter in, turn it and tighten it, and then one thing you definitely want to make sure you do after you close it is to run it a little bit and clear out all the unfiltered stuff. But it is a 3-pack. I've already got one in there, and we absolutely love these things. They are much cheaper than the KitchenAid brand typical filter, so we love these things. Just make sure you match up properly. For me, it was looking for this W and this EDR code. Once we know we have those, we can basically buy anything. So highly recommend these. Affordable, great value, worth buying.